Buongiorno paesani, how are you? Are you ready to learn some Siciliano? Well, today I want to trim my hair. Mi va fare capelli. There's your first Sicilian word today. It's capelli, means hair. In Italian we say capelli. And today is an overcast day, but we bring the sunshine, right? We are the sunshine. We gotta make the best of it. Allora, oggi è una giornata schifarata. There's another word. Schifarata means when you have nothing to do. Chifari means you have something to do. Schifarata means you have nothing to do. And ghifarata means you have a lot to do. So un ghifarata, I have a lot to do. In Italian we say c'ho a che fare, c'ho da fare, o non c'ho niente da fare. That's about it. So I hope you enjoy learning Sicilian with me. And my heart is very full and very big with all the subscribers that already subscribed. But if you haven't, please go to the YouTube channel Italiani di Montreal e Amici and subscribe. It's free and you get to see my videos every time I post it. And you will continue to learn Siciliano. We gotta keep the culture, the heritage, everything alive. And I'm doing my best to do so. But I can only do it with your support, with you watching me, with you subscribing to the channel, and with you putting comments. If you have an idea for a Sicilian word, please suggest it, and I will do my best to include it in my next video. That's all for today. È tutto per oggi e ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo!